What's up? Coach Greg here at Sculpt Training, and today we'll be doing a build-a-body workout. That's right, just like you can do Build-A-Bear, we are gonna be building up our bodies stronger, more flexible, more agile, more everything together, you and I. So let's get right into this exercise routine. We are going to be doing 3 sets. First set is going to be me more explaining and demonstrating the exercises while you follow along. While that second and third set are going to be more of a complete run through, back to back to back to back of all the exercises. We're going to get sweaty, we're going to burn fat, but we're going to look good doing it. So let's get right into our first exercise. We're going to start off this build-a-body workout with some step-ups. I'm going to be using a bench, but feel free to use stairs, even a yoga block. Whatever you have at your disposal, the goal is to get our body used to being in these flexion modes where, at least for your ankles, right, we want to be stepping up, focusing on the ankle flexibility, our toes, our feet, your calves, your knees, all that kind of good stuff, because those are the foundation of your body. So we want strong and agile feet, just like so. So something like a step up just allows us to almost like get a whole hamstring curl, so you can work out your glutes, your hammies, your quads. It's a full body exercise, also works out your balance as well. We'll be doing 30 seconds on the clock. So I'm gonna be alternating each step, and here we go. So step up, bring the other one up, just like that. Again, this is really good if you either have like knee problems or ankle issues, like obviously maybe not this particular height, but doing exercises like this just really helps strengthen, because maybe you can't do full squats or, with like weight, things like that. This is just a fun one. So a couple more seconds. 3, 2, and done. Next, we have the incline push-up. So again, you can use a bench like I'm using, you can use a wall, you can use a counter, a chair, whatever you have with you. We're just trying to do a different angle. There's gonna be less gravity, because obviously when you're on the ground, you have your full weight pressing down, but with more at an angle, we have less of our weight being pressed down, if that makes sense. I know what I'm saying, I think you know what I'm saying. But the goal is, get yourself nice, flat back. You want your fingertips like spread out as much as you can. You really want to press away, and all we're doing is bending those elbows back, pressing our chest to our bench, and extending all the way up. Trying to keep our back flat. Try not to like bend over like this or be like this. Really have a back, or a stable, strong back. So we're gonna do 30 seconds, and here we go. Just like this. Bam. Push-ups are a great exercise for your chest, for your back, for your arms, shoulders, everything. And especially if you're doing it properly and bracing your core, you're working out that core too, baby. Here we go, just press. There it is. I'm also pressing with my toes. Let's do one more. And done. Moving right into our third exercise. Alrighty, we're gonna be going right into squat holds. I know, like, oh no, Greg, no, don't do that to me, but it is such a good exercise. It's almost more of like, this is, I guess, would be technically more of a stretch, if you will, but it just helps loosen up your hip flexors, your back, your quads, your glutes, all that. Most people can't sit in a squat for prolonged periods of time. We're gonna try to do 30 seconds. Now, if you can't get all the way down, feel free, you can grab onto something like this and really just sit back into a squat. You can even do like a wall sit, whatever you feel comfortable with. I'm trying to think, can you do a squat sitting down? Not as much, but I guess technically you can hold on to it like this and really just something like this. Again, feel free to modify it however you want, but the goal is we really want to get our body used to being in this type of position, because it really just helps strengthen our knees, strengthen our ankles, strengthen everything. So we're gonna do 30 seconds. do what you can. Like I said, there's so many different ways to modify it. Like I said, you can do a wall sit, you can grab a bench, grab a chair, and do whatever angle works for you. You can grab, you know, like if you have like a banister, a railing, anything like that, you can grab that as well. Whatever you can do, push yourself. We're trying to build our body, and this is a great, almost passive exercise, but I'm telling you, you do this enough times, after 30 days, your whole body is gonna feel so much different. Hips are gonna be more open, you're gonna feel more flexible. It's gonna be awesome. So here we go, 30 seconds, and begin. And make sure you're breathing through all of it. Like I said, being able to get into a squat is been lost by most people, but this is just so good for your ankle health, for your joint health. And I know especially you're gonna be, bones may be creaking at first, especially if you haven't been in a squat for so long. So again, don't push yourself too far. There's plenty of modified versions that I gave you already that you can try. You got a couple more seconds, 3, 2, 1, and up. Great job, shake out the legs. I feel good. All right, last exercise, we have tricep dips. Get yourself back on your bench. You're gonna want to have your hands on the side, kind of like lift yourself over the edge, the precipice, if you will. And all we're doing is lowering our body weight down as we push our elbows back, and then we're just pushing right back up. Now the arms are gonna be the one doing all the work, right? So don't just like let your body just like drop, but we're really just focusing on that tricep area. So we're just extending as far down as we can go, and then extending all the way up, locking up at top, all the way down. Now if that's a little too easy for you, you can extend your feet forward like that. If that's a little too hard, then you can keep your, your feet closer under you, and you can just do something like this and more pulses, whatever you feel comfortable with. The goal is we're really just trying to strengthen our whole arms and being able to support ourselves or support our body weight on your arms, on your feet. All this stuff is very important. So here we go, 30 seconds, and begin. Here we go, extend, and perform some tricep dips. I also like to keep my core tight, keeps me aligned. Go whatever speed is comfortable for you. Like I said, you can keep your even feet closer. Kind of helps take some of the weight off. Or if it's too easy, you can extend it all the way out. Like that. A couple more. 3, 2, let's do one more, and 1. Sit on down, great job. That was your first set gone. This is your build a body workout. I'm feeling good. I feel like I'm building my body. I hope you are too. We're gonna get right into our second set in just a second. You know all the exercises, you know what to do, so let us get right into it. We got 30 seconds. We're gonna be doing step ups to start us off. So here we go. Incline push-ups. Here we go. Squat hold. Last tricep dips. All right, great job. That was your second set. Oh, I'm a little winded, a little tired. Feel free to grab some water real quick. We're just gonna finish off strong with this third set, third round. Come on. Good things happen in threes, at least that's what I've heard. So here we go. We wanna build this body. So here we go with round three, starting with those step ups in 3, 2, 1. Incline push-ups. Here we go. Squat holds. Last tricep dips. And there you have it. 3 rounds of the Build a Body workout. I hope you liked it as much as I did. I feel good. Those squat holds for sure kill me, but again, they're gonna be so good for your hip flexors, for your overall mobility, flexibility, all that jazz. And if you like this, feel free to share this with friends, click the notification bell to stay on top of any new workouts. Comment below whatever you feel like doing, go ahead and do that. I'm Coach Greg. I will see you in the next video. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.